Who the heck is knocking on my door? What's going on out here? Oh, what's this? Got a package. Son of a... What do we got in here? What is this? Oh, this is the exhaust. Dude, cool. That was totally unexpected and awesome. So I'm going to have to put this bad boy on. This is the Ixil slip-on exhaust. Nice. Alrighty. Here's how the Ixil exhaust came packed. Obviously, here's the muffler. Very nicely packed. And actually, no, that might actually be the the link pipe, and this is the muffler. Feels like it. It's a little bit more hefty feeling. Let me open this stuff up and see what we got inside. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the exhaust can that came in the thing. Not very big, you can see. Not too heavy. And it does have a removable DB killer. Got all kinds of hardware. Hopefully it's not too hard. I would imagine it shouldn't be. Then you got the link pipe here. So, pretty cool. It's interesting. Oh, look at this. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a little cover or something, but that's nice. Really nice, actually. The welds are pretty good, seem like. Yeah. So, alright, I'm going to have to get this bad boy installed and see what she sounds like. This is how the stock exhaust sounds. About the quietest muffler. Like, you can hear the engine, the intake louder than the muffler. Yeah. So stock can sucks. It really does. Doesn't look bad, but
no, I think it looks really cool.
Alright. Let's put the new one on, see what she sounds like. Alright guys, moment of truth. There's how I got it on here. Held on with the springs, and you can see how it's attached there. A little heat shield, pretty cool. Muffler's a lot more slim looking. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah. That sounds much better, don't it? Sounds pretty good. Oh, definitely a huge improvement.
Yeah.
What it should have sounded like stock. Alright, let's go get some acceleration clips maybe. Alright, sit. There we go. Good boy. I can't hit through. Alright guys, gonna head out and try to get some footage here and some audio of the new exhaust. So just give me a second. If I can get my gloves on, we'll do that. FYI, the install process was really easy. It came with instructions and they were Very easy to understand. It's always a breeze. Oh, she sounds good. She sounds really good. Like no drone or nothing annoying while you're cruising too. I feel like it's at a good volume level, at least for me. There she is, boys and girls. Not bad. My bike is a mess right now, so I apologize. There you have it, guys. There's the Ixil slip-on exhaust for the Husqvarna Svartpilen 801. Actually, I think it looks really good. Like, dude, that just looks good. The bike sounds so much better. Had to be done. Absolutely had to be done. Anyways, guys, that's it. Ixil exhaust. I'm Biker Believer. God bless you. Till next time. Peace.